June 17th is gonna be Father's Day. I just wanted to show you guys what I have for gifts that would be great for your fathers or your husbands. And the easiest way to find it would be go to sections, all items, and I have 3 spots here, so we can go with the men items first. So here you'll see a collection of bracelets that I have available, and then I also have this wooden necklace here with a spirit lock there, wooden spirit lock, and then it's beaded wooden beads. Okay, and then we also have men ties. I also have available. I do have the wallet still available and a couple ties. I don't have too many ties left. They're all pretty much sold out, but I do have a couple here. There. And then the last very popular section, I would say, are my tie clips. And I do have this bigger one back in stock. It is beautiful and perfect for any tie. There's the back that has the clip, and it's about 2.5 inches wide, so just perfect for the standard tie is about 3 to 3.5 inches, so it's just perfect. And then this, I think, is another really great tie clip. It has the eagle with the Hmong spirit lock, and then the tie bar that's silver plated. The eagle is silver plated, and then the Hmong spirit lock is second silver. So that is also a very cute gift. I only have one of those right now, so I think your fathers would really like that one. I do also have the personalized last names. If you are interested in those, I have most of my letters are in stock. Just message me if you don't see a last name that that you'd like. And then the other tie bars that I have here are also available. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.